the mechanic and Franz. Let's get the stand. So, how was that?
It's good.
You got music going?
I need to work on braking.
Yeah. Of course you do. I just turned a bunch of stuff. I just put engine braking at like high in second and third gear. I put it at regular in first, and I put it at min in fourth and fifth and sixth. And I turned up wheelie control to plus, medium plus now. I really want to see if it works.
I stayed out with the B+ers.
Did you?
Yeah.
See. Okay, I gotta put my music on. All right, let's see how this engine braking feels like. Somebody's calling me. Oh, I'm getting a phone call coming in. Somebody pick up the phone. Wheelie control is keeping the wheel down. Music back on. So the engine brake is higher in second and third now. Tightening my line. Engine brake's good. I think I like that. Oh, there's the mirror stepping out. And then not much engine braking at first. I reduce it. I lowered my handlebars too. Pulling a BMW. I could almost use more engine braking.
times. on my inside. This engine brake difference is awesome. I did 131 going 3 seconds. That's good. Oh, that's really good with that. That's like freaking 28, same as last year.
Okay. Woo. Stop this music. It's really loud. Stop. I got a missed call from 262. That's the guy calling me out there. What area code is that?